Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete a Roblox account permanently. So follow the steps. You can request that Roblox delete personal information. That they collect or maintain about you. They can only be done by deleting your account. To make a deletion request, please contact them by using their support form and select the desired right to be forgotten option under the data privacy requests. To protect your privacy, they will take steps to verify your account identity before fulfilling your request. Roblox is constantly evolving to bring a new, even better experience to all of the players and the support they hope to see you in return. So yeah, this is how you can do it. I hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.